Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Lotus French toast. First, gather your ingredients including your favorite bread, eggs, and that delicious Biscoff spread. Next, you will prepare the rich custard mixture for dipping. Then, cook each slice until it's beautifully golden brown. Finally, assemble your toast with warm Biscoff spread and a sprinkle of crushed cookies for an irresistible treat. Let's get started on this delightful recipe. To create the perfect custard, begin by whisking 2 large eggs in a shallow dish. Then, incorporate 1/2 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of sugar, mixing thoroughly. For an extra layer of warmth and aroma, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue to whisk until the mixture is completely smooth and all ingredients are well combined. This rich custard will give your French toast its incredible texture. Now it's time to cook. Gently dip each slice of bread into your prepared custard, ensuring it's fully coated but not soggy. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Place the dipped bread in the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. You're aiming for a crispy exterior with a wonderfully soft center. For the grand finale, spread a generous layer of warm Biscoff cookie butter on one side of each cooked French toast slice. Then, for an extra crunch and flavor, sprinkle some crushed Biscoff cookies over the top. Stack 2 slices together for a delightful and inviting presentation. Serve your Lotus French toast immediately to enjoy it at its absolute best. This sweet treat is perfect for any time of day.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.